There are thousands of mushrooms. I'm going to show you how to do white button, which is the most common kind. First off, mushrooms absorb a lot of water, so you never want to introduce them to water because then they will be too mushy when you cook them. You want to take a damp paper towel and just go over it and remove the dirt that it has. I'm going to show you how to slice them. Just go straight in the middle, just like that. And then just go straight down to the thickness that you want. Put it down so it's more stable and go straight down again. Let's fast forward.